Hi, my name is Sarah Bendrick. I'm a licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you how to build a decorative privacy fence using Outdeco panels. Now this one's quick and easy because we're using a 48 by 70 panel. So after we use Outdeco's steel, galvanized, powder-coated post system and frame system, we'll be able to just slide this right in. Let me show you how. But before you get started, you'll want to pick the design of your panels, and there's so many different options to choose from. Whether you're looking for something more whimsical to architectural or something in between. Because the size of these panels, they'll have a big impact in your landscape. You can pair them right next to each other to create a screen or a fence, or you can place them individually for an architectural feature in the yard. Now let's get started. To assemble Outdeco's post and frame system, you'll need a few tools that you probably already have at home. You'll want to start by identifying the front and the back of your channels. The front have no holes, and you can identify the back of the channels with the two round holes. You'll want to make sure that you've partnered this up with your post, which also has a front side that has no holes. It's important that your A70 and B70 channels are in the correct orientation, so the slots line up with the post holes. Next, you can follow the instructions in the manual and attach the two side pieces with the bottom piece, making sure you have the correct orientation. Or you can start by attaching your B70 channel to your secondary post, making sure that your orientation is correct. And this is facing the front with no holes. Next, you'll want to place your first post. Since we're anchoring into concrete, we'll use the included concrete anchors. However, the kit also comes with wood screws and washers. Using the included 2¼ inch support blocks, attach channel A70 and B48 to the first post that is anchored into the concrete using the included hardware. You'll notice there's an elongated slot right here, and this will allow you to adjust your panel up and down about 1 inch if you need to. Now that the first post has been anchored, we're using our panel, and this is going to help us space out our second post. You'll notice we already have the channel and corner attached here. So all we have to do is use a rubber mallet to connect the frame and post system together. You'll also want to make sure that you're in line and level before you anchor down the second post. Make sure the support blocks are still under the bottom channel, and then take your top channel with the corners attached using a rubber mallet and go ahead and tap it into place. Now this is important. Make sure that the panel fits snug all the way into the channels and the corner connectors are completely inserted. Next, use the included channel locking screws to screw through the back holes of the lower B48 channel. Then add screws through the holes of the A70 and B70 channels, starting with the lower holes and working your way up. Now that this panel has been completely installed, you can stop here or continue to add more panels along the line. You can even add 90-degree corners if you choose to. To continue on, attach the correct channels to the existing second post and make sure that the holes are facing the back. Then add the corresponding channels to the third post, of course, making sure the holes are facing the back. Lastly, you want to take the included plugs and fill in any empty holes. This will help keep rainwater out of your post, ensuring longevity. And there we have it, decorative fencing made easy. With a combination of Outdeco's premium powder-coated galvanized steel post and frame system along with Outdeco's engineered hardwood, these panels are going to bring beauty to this yard for a long time to come. I think it turned out great. What do you guys think?